Presenting a pre-owned 2025 Ford. This three-door van has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 10-speed shiftable A transmission. This Ford is a steal with less than 8,000 miles on the odometer. Key features include trailer tow package, auxiliary audio input, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.